Hey everyone, it's Nathan here today. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Singa TGR Unikorn R2.1. Just like its name, the Unikorn is one of the most sought after keyboard within the custom mechanical scene. Since its release back in 2018, the Unikorn has really set the tone of what an only mounted 6% board sounds and feels like. So much so that actually drew inspiration for a lot of boards that you see today, just like the Boiz 60 from Canon Keys and the Midway 60 from Boiz Supply. Now knowing a little background about the board, you can only imagine the anticipation and how difficult it was to obtain when Singa announced R2.1. So I was super happy to be one of the 200 people to get this and make this video for you guys. The Unikorn also came with a number of accessories, which include stickers, tooling, cleaning cloth, authentication card, PCB, and last but not least, the keyboard itself. I found that the assembly of the Unikorn was also pretty easy. So first step, we want to screw off the weight. So for the sake of the video, I already had the PCB built beforehand, which I'll drop the description down below. For the next step, I find it easiest to put the PCB in first, since the JST cable has no slack. Now that the JST cable is through the channel, we can connect it to the daughter board and screw the daughter board down. And just disregard me fidgeting here. Finally at the finish line, we just gotta put the weight back together, and now we could just finish off with the typing test. Also, don't forget to join the group for PBT Space Camp, which starts May 28th. Thank you all for watching. If you like more content like this, please hit the like and sub button below. I also stream on Twitch every Monday and Thursdays, so catch you guys there next time. Peace out, y'all.